Hey there, future investors. Whether you're just curious about the stock market or you're ready to take your first step, you've landed in the perfect spot. If you're just getting started with the stock market, you're in the right place. Investing might seem overwhelming at first, but with the right guidance, anyone can learn to make smart decisions and grow their wealth over time. I'm here to break down the latest updates from UZEE so you can master investing, even if you're a total beginner. We'll cover the essentials, share some insider tips, and help you avoid common mistakes. First up, let's talk about why the stock market matters right now. The market is always moving, and understanding what drives those changes is key to making smart choices. Big companies are reporting their earnings, which basically means we get to peek behind the curtain and see how healthy their businesses really are. These reports can reveal a lot about a company's future potential and stability. When earnings are up, stock prices usually follow. Investors get excited, and the value of your investments can climb quickly. But if the numbers disappoint, the market can drop fast. That's when you see those dramatic headlines and sudden dips in your portfolio. That's why staying updated is so important. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make smart moves and avoid panic selling. Now, UZEE's latest insight is all about smart patience. In a world where everyone wants quick results, patience is your secret weapon. Sounds fancy, right? It's actually simple. Being patient means you don't let short-term ups and downs shake your confidence. UZEE recommends buying shares in strong companies, then holding on to them for the long haul, no matter what the headlines say. This approach has helped countless investors build real wealth over time. For example, tech giants like Apple and Microsoft have weathered market storms for years, and their long-term investors have been rewarded. These companies have shown resilience and innovation, making them favorites for many portfolios. But how do you know which stocks are worth your money? It's not just about picking the biggest names. It's about understanding what makes a company strong. Here's a quick tip. Look for companies that keep growing, even when times are tough. Check their history. Are they making profits? Expanding their business? Do they have a loyal customer base and a clear vision for the future? UZEE's ebook dives deep into picking winners, but the main idea is to focus on businesses with a proven track record. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel about your choices. Another UZEE golden rule: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments helps protect you from unexpected surprises. Spread your investments across different industries like tech, healthcare, and energy. Each sector reacts differently to world events, so diversification helps balance your risk. That way, if one sector takes a hit, your whole portfolio doesn't crash. You'll have a safety net, and your investments can keep growing even if one area struggles. Diversification is the name of the game. It's one of the smartest ways to protect your money and set yourself up for steady growth. And here's something a lot of beginners miss. Investing isn't about timing the market perfectly. No one can predict every high and low. It's about time in the market. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from compounding returns and market recoveries. The longer you stay invested, the better your chances of making solid returns. History shows that patient investors almost always come out ahead. UZEE always says, let your money work for you, not the other way around. When you invest wisely and give it time, your money can grow while you focus on living your life. So, if you want to master the stock market, remember these key points. These are the building blocks of a successful investing journey. Stay updated, be patient, diversify, and think long-term. These habits will help you stay calm and confident, no matter what the market does. If you want a deeper dive, check out UZEE's ebook. It's packed with practical tips and real-life examples to help you start your investing journey with confidence. You'll find step-by-step guides, checklists, and stories from investors who started just like you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. We're here to support you every step of the way, so you never have to feel lost or alone in your investing journey. Let's build wealth together, one smart investment at a time. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and every step you take today brings you closer to your goals.